Hey guys, so today I have an interesting video showing you how to easily customize your engine bay on your Mopar to make it look awesome and a lot more visually appealing than it looks stock. I do want to say a big thanks to Reflective Concepts for supplying me the products in this video, and as we go along I'll show you each piece that I got along with the pricing for it. And if you do want to grab any of these items, all the links will be in the description below. Also, a big thanks goes out to my friend Brandon at 456 Wrap for helping me install these. If you're in the greater Toronto area, he is the best in the game for all your wrapping needs. So, as you can see on their website, reflectiveconcepts.com, you can find decals and overlays by typing in your specific vehicle, and they do make products for many types of cars, like Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Chevy, and more. On screen you can see the types of products they offer, and best of all, they are officially licensed by Mopar, so everything should fit the car perfectly if you have a Mopar product. They offer stuff to customize all your badges and everything under the hood as well. These are great to DIY install yourself, and Reflective Concepts does provide very detailed instructions for each product that I'll show on screen, or you can get a shop to do it if you're not great hands-on. I've ordered almost every possible piece for my 2006 Dodge Charger RT Daytona, both inside and out, and I will be doing another video on the exterior stuff right after this one, but today we're covering all the engine bay decals and overlays, and I'll be showing you the installation process, as well as how each product looks individually. I've chosen Reflective Red for most of the decals, which is the closest match to my TorRed on the Daytona, and they do have other colors to match, such as Reflective Yellow for Top Banana, or Reflective Purple for the Plum Crazy color. As for the general rules before starting, make sure to clean the whole engine cover with rubbing alcohol, and they do recommend you have a cleaning cloth with rubbing alcohol, a spray bottle with water and 1 drop of dish soap, tweezers or a similar tool, a squeegee, heat gun, and your clean table or working surface. It's also best to work in a warmer area, 50 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer, and half an hour after you apply all the decals, you should run your fingers or a paper towel around the edges of all the decals to make sure they're smooth and bonding properly with the surface. And it's also best to wait 24 hours before washing any surface that has a decal applied. So let's get started. So first is the center overlay piece. You can order this as shown for $35, but I didn't, so the next best thing was to have Brandon use an almost identical reflective red type of color and just wrap that centerpiece with that vinyl, which you'll now see on screen. We just went to the back of the engine cover and removed the bolts that were keeping that orange centerpiece in place, and then it pops right out, making it much easier to work with. Next up is the 5.7 liter V8 engine cover overlay, which is $11.99. This was ordered in gloss black. So for this one, we just lined up the decal to the lettering, through the see-through mask, and then peeled that away. The next piece is the engine cover front overlay decal, which is $10. Just clean the engine cover with rubbing alcohol, peel the vinyl away and apply it, starting in the center and lining it around the Ram head logo. Here we use the wet method, where we spray the decal with the water and dish soap solution, and then fit it into place, and work your way around out to the edges to get rid of all the air bubbles. The wet method allows you to move the decal around slightly when installing it, so it's a little bit easier. Now there's the limited edition numbering, which is just $8, and I got this one in gloss black as well to match the 5.7 liter V8 lettering. Here we just lined it up where I wanted it to go, pressed down firmly, and removed the top layer of the masking, and that's all there is to it. After that, there are the engine cover stripes in reflective red, and these were $15. Here for each stripe we started at one end of the stripe and carefully put that end down, lining it up to follow the contour of the whole line, and then just guiding it and firmly pressing down with your finger all the way through. And of course you gotta do that for each stripe on both sides. The sixth and final piece to go on here would be the Hemi engine cover overlays, ordered in reflective red again, and these are $15. Here for each letter you just want to line it up carefully, press firmly in place when you're in position, starting in the middle and working your way out to the ends to work out air bubbles before removing the transfer tape. So after all that's done, we put all the bolts back to connect the centerpiece, and then you can admire the amazing look of your new and improved engine cover. It looks miles better than the old one, and it seriously makes you proud to show off your engine bay. Again, I want to say a huge thanks to Reflective Concepts. I think their products are really awesome, very easy to work with, and make sure to check them out in the description if you do want some for your Mopar of any year. So thanks for watching. What do you think of my engine bay? Do you like the look of it? Let me know down in the comment section below. And make sure to like and subscribe for all your Mopar and Dodge Charger content, and I'll see you in the next video.